Your home's curb appeal is its first impression, and in a scenic city like Clearwater, Florida, where natural beauty surrounds every corner, that first impression matters. Choosing the right windows can transform your home's exterior, adding style, functionality, and value. Casement windows, with their sleek design and superior performance, are an excellent choice for Clearwater homeowners looking to enhance curb appeal while enjoying practical benefits. Here's how casement windows can elevate your home's curb appeal and why they're a valuable investment. Modern design for a timeless look. Casement windows are known for their clean lines and minimalist aesthetic, which blend seamlessly with a variety of architectural styles. Whether your Clearwater home is contemporary, coastal, or traditional, casement windows can enhance its exterior charm. Design features that stand out. Sleek appearance. Casement windows open outward with a side hinge, offering a streamlined and elegant look that adds sophistication to your home. Unobstructed glass panels. Unlike divided window styles, casement windows provide clear, expansive glass panes that create a modern and polished appearance. Versatile style. Their simple design complements both traditional homes and sleek, modern properties, making them a versatile choice for any Clearwater neighborhood. Casement windows give your home a refreshed and stylish exterior, making it more inviting and appealing. Maximizing natural light and views. One of Clearwater's greatest assets is its abundant sunshine and stunning views. Casement windows are designed to let in maximum natural light, creating bright and welcoming interiors while enhancing your home's exterior appeal. Natural light benefits. Wide openings. Casement windows open fully, allowing ample sunlight to illuminate your living spaces. Framed views. Their large, single-pane design creates an unobstructed view of Clearwater's natural beauty, from lush gardens to coastal horizons. Welcoming atmosphere. Homes with well-lit interiors and visible outdoor connections are more inviting, which enhances their curb appeal. By bringing the outdoors in, casement windows create a sense of openness and warmth that elevates your home's aesthetic. Customization for unique styles. Every home is unique, and customizing your casement windows ensures they match your personal style and enhance your property's character. From frame materials to decorative options, casement windows can be tailored to fit your vision. Customization options. Frame materials. Choose from durable options like vinyl, fiberglass, or wood to match your home's style and Clearwater's coastal climate. Colors and finishes. Select finishes that blend seamlessly with your home's color scheme or add a bold contrast for a modern twist. Decorative glass. Frosted or stained glass options provide privacy while adding a unique design element to your windows. Customized casement windows become a focal point that reflects your style and boosts your home's curb appeal. Enhancing energy efficiency. Clearwater's warm climate requires windows that can regulate indoor temperatures while reducing energy costs. Energy-efficient casement windows are not only functional but also an attractive selling point for potential buyers. Energy-saving features. Low-E glass coatings reflect heat and block UV rays, protecting your home's interiors while maintaining a sleek look. Insulated glass panes. Double or triple pane glass improves insulation and reduces energy loss, enhancing your home's value. Weather-tight seals. Casement windows close tightly with compression seals, preventing air leaks and drafts. A home with energy-efficient features is more appealing to eco-conscious buyers and adds value to your property. Durability for Clearwater's coastal conditions. Living in Clearwater means dealing with salty air, high humidity, and the occasional storm. Casement windows are built to withstand these coastal challenges while maintaining their beauty and functionality. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like fiberglass or vinyl resist corrosion, warping, and fading caused by salty air and humidity. Impact-resistant glass. Hurricane-rated options provide extra protection during storm season, ensuring your home remains safe and secure. Low-maintenance design. Casement windows require minimal upkeep, retaining their aesthetic appeal for years to come. Durable casement windows maintain their sleek appearance, contributing to long-term curb appeal. Boosting property value. Casement windows are more than just a visual upgrade, they're also a smart investment that increases your home's value. Their combination of modern design, energy efficiency, and durability makes them highly desirable to potential buyers. Value-boosting benefits. Increased curb appeal. Homes with stylish, high-quality windows stand out in Clearwater's competitive housing market. Energy efficiency appeal. Buyers are drawn to homes with energy-saving features that promise lower utility costs. Timeless aesthetic. The clean, versatile design of casement windows ensures they remain an attractive feature for years to come. Upgrading to casement windows enhances your home's marketability and long-term value. Conclusion. Casement windows are an excellent way to enhance your Clearwater home's curb appeal while enjoying practical benefits like improved energy efficiency, durability, and functionality. Their sleek design, customizable features, and ability to maximize natural light make them a standout choice for any property. If you're ready to transform your home with stylish casement windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. With expert guidance and professional installation, you can achieve a stunning exterior that reflects the beauty and charm of Clearwater living.